Hi guys, Creative Nature here. Today is going to be a bit different video. I'm going to be having my dog. So what I want to call this is Adventure Time. Because we're going to be exploring and all that. Come on Zeus, let's go. We got Zeusy right here. He's a ginormous dog. He's a bull mastiff, Napoleon bull mastiff. He's like 3 years old and he's like, I think like 180, 200 pounds. He's a big dog. But he's also cuddly, cute. You got right, Zeus. Yeah, so what I wanted to do was explore. We're going to take him to the park. And we'll just, excuse you. Yeah, we'll just hang out and talk. Okay, over here. Hey, stay. Go. Go. Zeus, go. Oh, here. Yeah. Wow, Zeus. Here, hold on. Hanging out at the park. Zeus over here is being a little stubborn boy. He won't go fetch. Sometimes annoying, but a cool fact about Napoleon Bull Mastiffs, they can reach pretty, like, they're big dogs, so they'll be pretty, what is it? They're gonna be heavy, yeah. They'll be pretty heavy, they'll be big. They can get to like 24 to 27 inches tall. And so one thing is that they were used for military. So what they would do was they would go in and pin down the enemy by their necks, and they would wait for either to give someone to give them the command to kill, or to get off and let someone else kill them. But they would pin you down by the throat. Nothing would make them move. Only a command would. He's a pretty great dog. He hangs out. He's pretty lazy sometimes. One of the things that is hard about this dog in particular is that they're very, very strong. And so, what happens is, when they try to pull away, you have to be aggressive with them. You have to be aggressive, show who's the boss, because they will try to be the top dog around here. Is that right, Zeus? But, so, there's that. If you're wondering, if you've seen one of the other videos that I posted, I had 2 other dogs. My family is divorced, so at my mom's house, we have those 2 dogs. My dad's house, we have this big guy over here. Yeah. And so, we have this bungee cord leash for him. It's pretty good. Pretty much it's either this or a chain. Chains work really well, but it's just hard to hold. It hurts a bit. So this one is pretty good. His bungee, it stretches. And, yeah. We tried looking for harnesses for big dogs like this. You have to get them specially made, because they don't make them this big. Yeah. I'll see you in a few seconds. I'm gonna see if I can get him to play fetch. Sorry if the lighting will blind you. I'm trying not to. Okay, I'll see you in a second. Oh, come on. Lazy dog. You're more interested in girls than you are. And you're peeing. Nice. Nice job, Zeus. Zeus! On. Yeah, hold on, I'll walk him around for a bit. And, yeah. we're just playing and stuff. I'm gonna bring him back to my house. I'll walk him around a bit more. But today it was just to talk around and give you some cool facts about the bull mastiff, and it was intended to be short. It was something to give you a bit more entertainment, show you some new stuff in the world, and I hope you like it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!